Alright, here's my Bianchi Pista Steel fixed gear in its current iteration. This is like the bike that I've got when I first got into bikes and wanting a fixed gear. It's the longest one I've owned so far. It's looked a little different since I first got it, but I think it looks pretty cool right now. Got some Nitto bull horns on there. I think they're the RB002s, and have the Cinelli alter stem on with it. Got that for a pretty good deal. It's a nice short one too. I think most of them I've seen are in like 120, 130 mil, so it's nice to have one in, I think this is 100, maybe a 90, I'm not sure. Got a Dura-Ace NJS headset on there. That's put on pretty poorly because I got a shop to do it before I had the tools. But it's kind of funny. Someday I'll end up putting the logos on the side so you can see them a bit better, but that's alright. Got a head tri-spoke with the stickers taken off. I think maybe in this lighting you can kind of see the residue. But yeah, definitely needs new bearings, but it looks sick. Makes me look like I'm going fast. Got a really good deal on some P0s on Marketplace, which was nice. Threw them on the front. I've since skidded through the rear, which is kind of stupid of me, but whatever. Got this little Scout top tube protector for when the bars swing around when I pick up the bike. Got a classic 90s flight saddle, best saddles. Look so sick. I've had them on all my bikes at some point. It's got a Nitto 92 seat post that was on my old NJS bike that I'm trying to sell, so I figured it doesn't need it. So I got Sagino 75s with the Sagino 75 sealed bottom bracket. And nice little dust caps there, which is cool. I have no idea if any of this is in focus. The sun is in my eyes. I got some MKS Cordito pedals, I think is what they are. And I had to file the holes a little bit to get these Y knot straps to go through. But they're pretty nice. I think they look cool. I kind of wish I got the black ones, but whatever, it's still pretty sick. It's got a Dura-Ace, I forget which one this is, the 7600 or 7710 chain ring. And I forget if I said Sagino 75s, but yeah, you can see the logo there. And the HKK Vertex chain, which so far I've kind of liked more than the Azumi chain I used to have on. I think it looks nicer and it has the cooler like quick link screw. Try to show it there. Got an EAI cog in the back, and I think, oh, I thought I had a Dura-Ace lock ring, but I don't know, some random lock ring. Got my shadows in the way there. And a DT Swiss rear wheel laced to this blank 88 mil carbon wheel, which sounds cool. Just a gator skin on the back, slow or whatever, but handles the skates pretty well. And they're readily available, which is nice. What else? I think that might be it, honestly. I'm usually always changing the handlebars and stem around and the wheels. I'd really like to get some H plus Sun box TB14 rims on this thing, maybe laced to some Dura-Ace hubs would be super sick, I think. The big carbon wheels is a cool look, but it's nice to go back and forth between these and like a more normal looking wheel, or like some combo of them both. But yeah, this bike is pretty awesome. I'll probably always keep this bike. it's like the first bike I've fully customized or whatever. I think I don't think there's any original part left on it. Oh, I forgot to mention, these bikes come 1-inch threadless, which is cool, but I really wanted to use threaded stems and stuff, which is funny because I have an adapter on there right now, but usually I have like a Nitto Pearl stem or the Jaguar stem that is all negative and cool looking, but I swapped the fork to a Corey York, I forget what they are called, R2 maybe? I'm trying to show the logo there, but yeah, pretty sweet, super low rake, matches the chrome of the bike like perfectly, which is unreal. I got it like, I think a year before they like went out of business or something. I kind of forget, but their frames are super sick. It's too bad. But yeah, I think that's all the parts. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do these videos on all my bikes. I have 5 right now, so I've done 2. Still have to build one of them, so we'll see. But yeah.